Hi students, welcome to today's section. Today we are starting the 6th chapter, Understanding of Maps. First, we will go through the accounts of sea voyages of some eminent travelers of different periods. Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus was born in the Republic of Genoa in the 15th century. He was a well-known sailor and explorer. He came to know about the natural resources of India and started his first voyage in search of India through the Atlantic Ocean in 1492 AD. In order to know the route, Columbus and his team traveled with a large leather-wrapped globe on which places were marked. They also used another such spear to mark the location of stars. But Columbus lost his route and reached some islands near the North American continent. This was because of the lack of accurate maps and other navigational aids. Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan was born in the 16th century in northern Portugal in Europe. With an unquenchable quest to travel around the world, the Portuguese explorer Magellan and his team started their voyage from Europe in September 1519. Their aim was to travel through the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean and to return to Europe. They used maps prepared in 16th century to know the exact location of continents. When the journey prolonged for years, discontent arose among them. When they reached the Philippines Island in the Pacific Ocean, they had a war with the inhabitants of Mactan Island, and Magellan was killed in the war. Those who survived returned to Europe in September 1522. In an age when there were no detailed maps or other facilities to know the exact route, it took 3 years for them to travel around the world. Lieutenant Commander Abhilash Tomy. The Indian sailor Abhilash Tomy was born at Tripunithura in the Ernakulam district of Kerala. He set out on a sea voyage around the world from Mumbai in November 2012. Overcoming many challenges en route, he traveled around the world and returned to the shores of Mumbai on 31st March 2013. It was with the help of accurate maps and other modern instruments that he could complete his journey around the world in about 150 days without losing his way. It is astonishing to note that Columbus and Magellan made prolonged voyages when there were no maps or other sophisticated equipments to help them in navigation. So I think it's clear to you that with the help of accurate and detailed maps and modern technology, one can travel around the world without losing the way. So students, I hope all of you understood today's section. In the next class, we will discuss about the importance of maps in the modern era and various types of maps used in different fields. That's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.